Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund the Delta Airlines plane tickets in 2024. Whether your travel plans have changed or you just need to cancel your flights, understanding how to get a refund from Delta Airlines is essential. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for your Delta Airlines, of course, plane tickets. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. Before requesting a refund, it's important to familiarize yourself with the Delta Airlines refund policy. Delta offers like some different options based on the ticket type, fare rules, and the reason for cancellation. So visit the Delta official websites or check your booking information for some specific details and refund eligibility. As an example, I'll open here a browser, go to the URL section. All I need to type here is Delta like air lines and hit the enter button. Of course, I'll just go here and type first of all refund policy, read the refund policy. Then I'll go to refund like tickets. So it creates the same link and basically I'll go here. So yeah, first of all, cancel or refund your flights. This is the policy or privacy policy of it. So not privacy policy, it's just the policy of refund. So if your plans or your travel plans change, we provide you with options for canceling your tickets prior to departure, or you can apply for a refund if your ticket is refundable. Additionally, if you booked your flight within the last 24 hours, you can find out the details about 24 hours risk-free cancellation. So we have two options, or three options. So first of all, if your tickets is refundable, you have the refund option. On it, you can simply apply for a refund. And basically, here is it. If you don't have an account, of course, if you have an account, you basically have to go and click on login into your account, go to your reservation, and from there, you'll be able to find a cancel option. Click, of course, on the reservation that you want to cancel, and you'll be able to cancel it without any problems. As simple as that. But if you don't have an account, all you need to do, as we said, go and type like Delta Airlines and basically just type like refund as we did in here. Click on so refund policy, click on the link, first link as we did. This will take you here. All you need to do then click on apply for a refund. This will take you right here. First of all, you'll need to find your trip. So look up a trip. Enter your information to look up a trip, and you can search by confirmation number, credit/debit card number, or ticket number. So find your trip by whatever option you want. You want the ticket number if you have the tickets, you want the confirmation number if you have it, or you want the credit card number, depending on whatever you want. So choose whatever suits you, enter that number, and enter your first and last name. Then click on search. Once they find your tickets, from there you'll be able to start the refund problem process, not problem. Once you start it, of course, as you can see, you will be able to do it. But additionally, as you can see, if you booked a flight within the last 24 hours, you can find like how to do cancellation within the 24 hours, even if your ticket does not have any refund policy with it. As example, so refund, request a refund or reimbursement. As you can see, refunds. If there is a flight cancellation or significantly delay of more than 2 hours, you will be rebooked on an alternative flight, or your ticket will be converted to an e-credit for your future travel. However, in some instance, you may be eligible to request a refund of any unused portion of your non-refundable ticket or for any used trip purchases. If you choose not to travel, please note that most tickets are non-refundable and not all amenities are refundable. You can see there are individual terms for details, and once submitted, you will do or we will do our best to process your request in a timely manner and update you on your refund eligibility. If you have already canceled your flight and you would like to request a refund to your original, of course, form of payment, please complete the travel distribution refund requested form. So as you can see, they have a requested form if you already canceled your flight and you just want, if you pay, of course, also with your credit card and you just want to get the payments right back in there. They have an option for that. As you can see, Normally, once you logged in, and as I said before, if you cancel your flight, you'll find also a request a refund button. You'll basically have to click on it, and of course, check this option that say I have canceled my flight, and make sure request a refund if your flight was canceled or significantly delayed more than 2 hours. So if you cancel it or delayed more than 2 hours, or if you experienced a downgrade in your class of service, you may receive one of the following: an e-credit of the value to your tickets or seats purchase, or refund to your original payment form. So you can click on request a refund, and you'll have to fill up all this form. As you can see, contact information, billing address, tickets information, flight information, and also reason for request. As you can see, the reasons that you have. What is it? Is it flight cancellation or service downgrade or flight delay? Or even you can simply request the request description. You can enter it, like you can type here whatever you want. After that, once you fill up all those informations, check this option that you agree to the terms and conditions. Of course, you can read them out, as you can see. So the refund request will be reviewed by the passenger refund department to determine refund eligibility and the amount of the refund. After the review, a refund may not be authorized unless otherwise specified. Refund eligibility will be based on the rules of the fare purchased or Sky Miles program tickets rules, and all applicable cancellation or penalty fees will be applied. Keep that in mind. So if you agree with that, click on submit. And of course, once you submit it, they will get back into you once they accepted or declined your refund for some specific reason. Maybe you're not eligible. And as you can see, other informations here about refund and reimbursements as example. Other informations that you'll be able to read here. The 24 hours risk free, how to do it. You'll be able to find your trip, log in, go to my trips as example, go to cancel. As you can see, you need to cancel button, click on start flight cancellation, and you'll receive a full refund automatically if it's within 24 hours of the purchase of the tickets. And yeah, that should be it. Of course, there's some frequently asked questions here. If you have one of them, you can just pause the video and read it all by your own. For me, I'll not go and read it. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.